Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you this string of pearl succulent tutorial. I use 3.5 100% acrylic yarn in this color, and also I use 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. Start by doing a slip knot. Then chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, then 4 double crochet in the first chain, one, and this tail right here I also yarn over with the tail, so later I don't need to cut the tail. Okay, like this, yarn over with the tail. So you will need to add 4 double crochet in the first chain here, and then you can insert this tail inside in the middle like this, then slip stitch in the second chain right here, just across this chain here. Do a slip stitch, then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 double crochet in the third chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, third chain right here. One, two, three, and 4. And then do a slip stitch, make a slip stitch on this second chain right on in this side here. Okay, here, slip stitch, and just repeat chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 double crochet in the third chain from the hook here, third chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, then slip stitch in this in the side here, the second chain here. And after, for me, I made a 6 strings. This is 8 here. This is, I made 8 times, and then 5, 4, 3, and then 6. But you can make more if you want. And after that, make a chain, then cut the yarn. And by the way, for the pattern tutorial, you can click on the right side above this video on going to the tutorial of this one, the dirt and the path. If you like this video, you can give me a thumbs up and Thank you so much for taking time watching this video, and I hope I will see you next time.